Sa'yo yun.
Bago nila, bago nila yun.
Thank you. Mayagam hapon inyo alan. Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the provincial government of Bukidnon, headed by our Governor Neil Roque, and on behalf of our Vice Governor Clive Quino, who was designated to deliver the words of welcome. Gabi pa lang ko na natawagan nga ako nag-represent, no? It is with great pride and joy that I warmly welcome all athletes, coaches, officials, and guests to the Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association, or NMRAA, Meet 2026 here in our beautiful province of Bukidnon. Excited na ba ang tanan? O excited na? Palakpakan atong tanan! Salamat. Maayong pag-abot sa tanan, especially to our very own, our very supportive Senator Miguel Zubiri. Atong palakpakan. O guban po dahil yung kapika sa kinabuhi, no? Atong Congresswoman Audrey Zubiri. And of course, sa atong DepEd Undersecretary for Human Resource and Organizational Development, Wilfrido Cabral. To all provincial governors, our city mayors, ato lang special mention, kadaghan kay mayor na adri, no? Ato special mention atong city mayor nga host sa Malaybalay, Attorney J. Warren Pabilaran. Mayor, to all congresswomen and congressmen, anapo din si Congressman Alba, Juman Alba. And to all board members, anapo din, municipal and city councilors, municipal mayor and vice mayor and city and vice mayor, to our DepEd Region 10 Regional Director Arturo Bayugot and Assistant Regional Director Federico Martin, and to our officials from the Palarong Pambansa, Yeni Sabit and John Mark Oligario. Ato po welcome ang tanang participating divisions gikan sa 5 ka probinsya o unong kasyudad sa Northern Mindanao. Misamis Occidental, Misamis Oriental, Lanao del Norte, Bukidnon, Camiguin, Cagayan de Oro City, Hingoog City, El Salvador City, Iligan City, Valencia City, o ang Dakbayan sa Malaybalay. Headed by your schools, division superintendents, and assistant superintendents. We are happy to welcome you all, ma'am, sirs. O sa tanang guest, teachers, students, employees of uban panganaa diri karon. Dili na nako matagsa-tagsa apan kamong tanan among giabi-abi o gihatagan og mainiton nga pagdawat. Salamat sa inyong presensya nga naghatag og kahulugan nining maong kalihukan. Gamayng trivia lang, no, diri sa Bukidnon, known as the food basket of Mindanao, is rich in agriculture, culture, and natural beauty. We are blessed with the vast highlands, scenic landscapes, and a climate na presko kayo. Ang murag aircon ang tibuok probinsya. Labi na diri sa Dakbayan sa Malaybalay. Matod pagaling nila, no? Pwede hinayan ang aircon sa Malaybalay kay kusog ra kayo. And yes, Bukidnon is truly a cool place, not only because of the weather, but because of the warmth and hospitality of our people. So kung gitugnaw mo, ayaw ka balaka, libre ra ang among hugs. Hugot nga hugs o pahiyong. Unlimited pa. We are so proud of one of the largest provinces in the country, which means we have plenty of space, not just farming, but also for running, jumping, camping, ug uban pang physical activities. O mao nga dako po salamat sa atong gobernador O'Neil Ruki o sa atong Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri for this project. Kini atong Bukidnon Sports Complex. Nga kini nga pasilidad dili lang para karon kundi para sa umaabot nga mga henerasyon sa atleta sa Mindanao o sa tibuok Pilipinas. O daghang salamat kayo Senator Mig Zubiri. Ato palakpakan. O sa di pa na ako malintano, ato diyang gobernador, ang atong Regional Development Council Chairman na po diri Governor Henry Huaminal. Atong palakpakan. The Inimra is not only winning medals, but also about building friendships, discipline, and sportsmanship. Dili nato may balaan nga ang tinuod nga kadaugan dili lang makita sa medalya, kundi sa respeto o paningkamot nga inyong gipakita sa matag dula. So whether you win or lose, always remember play fair, give your best, and most importantly, enjoy the game. Sa tanang atleta, may your energy be strong, your focus be sharp, and your muscles hopefully cooperative throughout the competition. Once again, welcome to Bukidnon. Enjoy your stay, enjoy the games, and may this event be filled with excitement, unity, and unforgettable moments. So daghang salamat, padakong salamat tungkay, and God bless everyone.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.